Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to connect your subdomain to your website on Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account, then go to Websites, and next to the website built using Hostinger Website Builder that you want to connect a subdomain to, click on this Edit Website button. This is my website inside Hostinger Website Builder, and as you see, my domain name benstutorial.com is already connected. So in my case, only in my case, I cannot change or I cannot connect my subdomain from here. If your website is newly created on Website Builder and you didn't connect a domain name yet, here instead of your website name or instead of benstutorial.com, you will see something like connect domain. Click on it or just hover over it with your mouse and you will see change domain. In my case, which is I already have a domain connected, I will access the same page from a different place. So let's do it. I will go back to each panel, then go to websites, and next to my website, I will click on these three dots and select change domain. I understand, click on change, and this is the page both of us will land on. Both scenarios, you will land on this page. Now fill in the subdomain that you want to connect to your website. For example, I will go with pizza.benstutorial.com. Free subdomain, click on it, click on next. And as you see, domain added to your site. Now click on continue. And as you see, my website address changed to this subdomain. Let's give it a visit. If your website is not accessible on your using the subdomain, it is normal because sometimes new or domain updates requires a little bit of time to fully take effect. Now let me explain to you a slight information that you should know. Here, my domain name, which is benstutorial.com, is registered on Hostinger. So if your domain name was registered elsewhere, for example, Namecheap, you should point your domain name registered elsewhere to Hostinger by using Hostinger name servers. This step, if your domain name or subdomain requires that, you will be asked to update or you will be asked to do it, and also Hostinger will give you explanation on how to do it. So just to be aware that connecting a subdomain to Hostinger Website Builder differentiates depending on if your domain is registered on Hostinger or elsewhere, and also if your domain is pointing to or using Hostinger name servers or not yet. And this is how to connect a subdomain to your website on Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.